Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for SSC CGL, then this video is just for you. Today we're going to solve some of the most important general knowledge questions asked in previous years' SSC CGL exams. 1. What is the more common name for solid carbon dioxide? A. Dry ice. 2. For which of the following sports was Dronavali Harika conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri Award? B. Chess. 3. The Araku Valley, a tourist resort, is located near which of these cities of South India? A. Visakhapatnam. 4. Which city of India is known as the Athens of the East? A. Madurai. 5. Which of the following is not a nationalized bank? A. State Bank of India. 6. Which city in India is world-renowned for one of the most traditional embroidery styles, chikankari? C. Lucknow. 7. Which of the following viceroys of India addressed the Bengal famine of 1943 by ordering the army to distribute relief supplies to the starving rural Bengalis? B. Lord Linlithgow. 8. Under which article of the Indian Constitution are special provisions provided to language spoken in a section of the population? B. Article 347. 9. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana offers a protection term insurance cover of dash to the insurer. C. 2 lakh rupees. 10. In December 2019, the Rohtang Passageway in Himachal Pradesh was renamed as B. Hatol Tunnel. 11. A channel of canal where water is forced to flow against the slope of land by upliftment is called C. Lift channel. 12. Who among the following assassinated Sir William Hutt Curzon Wyllie in London? C. Madan Lal Dhingra. 13. With which of the following sports is Ruya Gold Cup associated? A. Bridge. 14. In which of the following years was the Mughal Empire established by Babur? B. 1526. 15. Veer Surendra Sai was a freedom fighter from A. Odisha. 16. Halogens have dash electrons in their outermost shells. D7. 17. Bolakat is a dash from the state of Karnataka. D. Dance form. 18. When is National Girl Child Day observed annually in India? C. The 24th of January. 19. Which of the following is the meaning of Pishtak in the context of medieval Indo-Islamic architecture? D. Tall gateway. 20. Who among the following is credited with postulating 3 laws of planetary motion? D. Johannes Kepler. 21. Abdul Karim Khan was the exponent of which school of Hindustani music? D. Kirana Gharana. 22 thorny bushes are found in dash region. C. Dry desert. 23. Which of the following are rabi crops only? B. Barley and gram. 24. Harihara and Bukka established an independent state in Karnataka and established the capital city Vijayanagar on the banks of which river in 1336? B. Tungabhadra. 25. What is the average thickness of the continental crust of Earth? C. 30 kilometers. 26. Which of the following pairs of musicians and their instruments is incorrect? A.K. Vaidyanathan Sitar. 27. Planned revenue expenditure relates to? A. Only 1 5-year plans. 28. If we deduct depreciation from GNP, the measure of aggregate income that we obtain is called? C. Net national product. 29. Players that stop dribbling in handball have to pass or shot within? D. 3 seconds. 30. How thick is the lithosphere? C. 10 to 200 kilometers. 31. Which of the following dances is performed by the Santhal tribe of Jharkhand? A. Jhika Dasain. 32. Which of the following acts was introduced to regulate foreign exchange in India in 1973? A. FERA. 33. Which part of the Constitution of India contains the provisions of Union Executive? A. Part 5. 34. What was the function of an officer called Samaharta? B. Tax assessment. 35. Which of the following is not a freshwater lake in India? B. Pulicat. 36. Industries are classified into dash categories in the Industrial Policy Resolution. B. 3. 37. Jamda folk dance is associated with which Indian state? D. Jharkhand. 38. Which of the following committees recommended for the inclusion of fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? A. Swaran Singh Committee. 39. The term straight drive is related to which of the following sports? B. Cricket. 40. Which water body separates Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south? A. 10-degree channel. 41. In which part of India does the hot wind Loo blow? B. North and northwestern. 42. Which of the following is not correct about directive principles of state policy? B. They are justiciable in nature. 43. Ebony and mahogany trees are found in which type of forests? C. Tropical evergreen forests. 44. Vallabhi, a city of ancient India, was the capital of the which dynasty from the 5th to 8th century CE? A. Maitraka. 45. Which article deals with the election of the president? B. Article 54. 46. Who is considered the highest law officer of the state in India? A. Advocate General. 47. Who among the following sent Megasthenes to the court of Chandragupta Maurya? C. Seleucus Nicator. 48. Which of the following Delhi Sultans introduced two coins, namely silver tanka and copper jital? D. Iltutmish. 49. The tripartite struggle happened among the Palas, the Pratiharas and the C. Rashtrakutas. 50. UPSC is a constitutional body to conduct examinations for appointments to the services of the Union and the services of the state, respectively under Article A. 320. That's it for today's session. If you found these PYQ questions helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more SSC CGL practice content. All the best for your exams.